call us Nepo babies if you want to.
You know how every generation says that oh हमारे time पे ये मुश्किल थे और it was harder for us, but reality is every generation just had it different.
Absolutely. Our grandfathers built the wealth, but I think our fathers are the ones who maintained it. And then comes us trying to survive and pretending that we are not under pressure.
Yeah. So welcome back to the Velvet Mic. Tanya and I are going to talk about how generational wealth is for the first gen, second gen, and the third gen, which
And
is
the one
us.
that follows. Talking about our grandfather, Shreya, I don't think so. They spoke about investments or assets. I think their sole major concern was to create security for the family.
Of course.
That is bringing in money, making sure that the family has food to eat, owning lands, creating money with money, I think was their agenda.
Back then, most of them did not come with any inheritance, no education, no assets, no backing, no godfather. Like it was just pure struggle to feed the family.
Absolutely. And then if we come down to our fathers, I think they had the strong urge to maintain what their fathers had built. I'm sure they were born with a cushion, but I think the invisible pressure of actually trying to build something that their fathers started to continue the legacy, maintain it, continue the legacy. I think that's where the pressure really hit them hard, and I think they did a good job.
And then comes our generation, the third generation, which has enjoyed the perks and benefits of being brought up, born in a lot of comfort, a lot of luxury, a lot of we had better of everything, Tanya.
Yes,
everything.
we did. Yeah,
better homes, better travel, better education, better of everything.
But I think, Shreya, we were also taught to उसका फायदा लेने का हम लोग को सिखाया गया था.
100%.
I don't think so. ये चलो ये बाहर ये टर्म निकल गया है कि generational families have it easy, but tell me something very honestly, why can't we take advantage of the wealth or the opportunities that our forefathers, our fathers have tried and done such a hard work job to maintain it. So I really feel that even though we have the pressure of maintaining it all, that इनविजिबल स्ट्रिंग की इसको बढ़ाना है और ये इसको आगे लेके जाना है. I think it's like a hammer on our head every day.